Eastern PA Weather 30 meteorologist Bobby Marchich here with your outlook for October 12th, 2017. For your Thursday, it's going to start off on the gloomy side with a few showers around that are going to be dissipating for the further northeast in your coverage area you go, and we'll be continuing a little bit longer down to the southwest. It's high pressure off to where northeast is going to build into New England, so that's going to dry us out from northeast to southwest today. But I do think the clouds are going to remain because you do have an easterly flow around the high. The high is sitting right here in the Gulf of Maine, and usually 9 times out of 10 when you have a high pressure that strong part of the Gulf of Maine, that usually means a strong easterly flow, and that means you're going to keep the clouds around even if it's not even if you're not dealing with showers. And that easterly wind is going to hold right through Friday, and I think that's largely the reason why Friday also remains mostly cloudy. So not expecting to see too much sun here in the next couple of days, but you do see the trend here. We start off here with the showers in the morning, but as the high builds in, look what happens to precipitation. It's shunted to the southwest, and eventually most areas, or all areas in our coverage area, will be dry. Here's a look at the NAM high-res future simulated radar. I'm starting to talk at 5 a.m. on purpose, just so you can see where this is, but the shower activity is lingering. Kind of widely scattered, not really heavy at all, but just a nuisance at this point in the morning. But you can see during the course of the morning, look what happens to the precipitation. Everything in the northeast kind of dries out, and everything is shunted to the southwest. So it should be out of our area for the afternoon hours. It's just a morning thing, but it's just a difference of maybe very early morning northeast areas and maybe late morning further southwest. So the high pressure will do its deed and it will dry us out, but again, that easterly flow continuing will keep us mostly cloudy. Mostly cloudy skies will continue tonight and also on Friday, and that's because high pressure is still parked up over here, so you still have the onshore flow. Can't rule out a stray shower here on Friday, but most areas are going to stay dry. Here's that maybe stray shower chance for our western areas here on Friday. And then as we get into Saturday, the trail shortwave is going to move through. This is an upper level system that's going to move through. Might have an early shower here Saturday morning, but I do think it's going to be a clouds giving way to sun deal on Saturday. Much warmer than it has been, that it will be on both today and tomorrow. We're going to be stuck in the 60s in most areas today, and then as we get into Saturday, we're looking at temperatures rebounding and getting into well into the 70s here on Saturday. Southwesterly flow is going to start kicking in here on Saturday, so they'll get those temperatures up. And then once we get to Sunday, pretty much the same deal. Strong southwesterly flow, though, ahead of this cold front that's coming to the west, and that means temperatures are going to get even warmer here on Sunday. So probably making a run at 80 degrees, maybe lower 80s down here by Philadelphia, making a run at 80 degrees across many locations here on Sunday. So warm southwesterly wind and also kind of humid because you have low pressure up to the north. Warm front obviously is way up to the north at this point, and a cold front situated back here like this. So this is all ahead of the cold front that's moving through, and it's going to get those southwesterly winds going, and also the temperatures will be steadily on the rise. And then once we get the overnight hours, we have a threat of showers late, and then it will continue into Monday morning. This is showing early Monday morning right here with a few showers along the cold front. Not a real big deal, and not a lot of precipitation to deal with that front itself. And then that moves out down to the southeast. So you will have, it'll be a morning clouds and showers giving way to sun in the afternoon. Humidity and temperatures will be lowering in the afternoon on Monday, and then this trough that's behind here, high pressure, is going to settle in behind this, and we're going to have a couple cooler days that are more typical of this time of year. Tuesday is going to be Tuesday and Wednesday both should be stuck in the 60s, but a refreshing breeze and temperatures that are going to be again in the 60s. Lower humidity days. This is going to be a typical autumn type feel for at least a couple days toward the middle of next week. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchich. That is your outlook for October 12th, 2017. Have a great Thursday.